Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily remove the timer from Snapchat. It's a pretty easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, open up the Snapchat mobile application. Once you open up the Snapchat mobile application, now what you need to do, at the right side you can see the arrow pointing downwards. From here, if I click on that, and if I have enabled the timer, I just click on timer and you can see the timer has been enabled. I can just simply click on that and click on again the timer and click on cancel, and once I click on cancel, you can see the timer has been cancelled. And that is how you can easily cancel timer on Snapchat or remove the timer. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.